Welcome, welcome, welcome. They call me who I am, that it is it. Whether I have a name, whether you like what I do, this is what I do. This is going to be a very quick video for many of them who said cut it short. What would you like to talk about first? First of all, I've got cinnamon in my tea, and it is incredible. I looked at the numbers 23. Number 23 says 11. And in order to create the wolf, which is the flow of some energy, that 11, 2 times 3, and 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 6. 56 is the wolf. 2, 3, 5, and 6. We're leaving out the area of 4 because 4 is inside of 5. So we're going to pick up this piece of paper over here, and we're going to go to Big Bad Wolf. Remember the big red dog? Well, the big red dog is now a wolf. Wolf, dog, we don't know which one it is. Does it really matter? Okay? Once he's got dog in him, he's part wolf. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 in creation equals to 11. Number 23 is the 11th hour. And 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 create 5 and 6, which is number 11 again. The big bad wolf charged the 3 little pigs. The straw house, so he can burn and make fire for the gold that lights up man's mind so he can think as he throws more wood into the fire. Again, the soul of this earth, the lungs, the air we breathe. But can you only build into a brick house? The brick house, B-R-C-K, 14 is on the cross. And this seems to be the cube in Iran. C-U-B-E, 3, 21 is 24, equals to X-man. B and E is 25, is Jack, is X. We have this Q-U, the Q of the beta world. BQ, or because, inside this word of the cross, this is the AD world. B and R is 20. C and K is 14, 2014, and it's all about I inside the brick house. The sheiks and the horses around the world, Bugs Bunny, Donald Duck, the paddles in the water, the paddles of our heart, the paddles in ping pong where you hear the heartbeat on the first machine that we ever played on TV was Pong. We have the 3 little bears. We have Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. BB, beta memory, and Papa Bear, BP. Is that bipolar who takes care of both sides? But between them, BMP says they map it out. However that works, this is inside what the cube creates inside our world. In Donald Duck, we're the ping pong, or the pong that makes our heartbeat. Before I end it, I am taking all these numbers. 32 and 15, add them. Then 3 and 2 equals to 5. Keep it that way. 2 and 3 is 6. Put it that way. Then multiply it by 3. Then multiply it by 4. Okay? That's the way we're going to do it. The reason I do it this way, because if you want to really figure out the answer to pi, multiply every single number continuously in pi by the number 3. Then take yourself a tic-tac-toe board and put in every 9 numbers. When you come up with that same situation of those 9 numbers, which will equal 2, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21, 2 and 1 is 3. You have CLU, you have 333, the 3 little pigs. And again, it goes to Lovejoy. When you go 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15, 1 and 5 is 6, 3 times 8 is 24, 2 and 4 is 6, and that says fox. When you take 3 times 3 is 9. When you take 3 times 6 is 18. 9 and 18 is part of who is third, or number 11. 3 by 9 is 27, 2 and 7 is 9. Back to the brick house. We end up with 3, 6, and 9. So in those 9 boxes, after multiplying every number by 3 in pi for each of the 9 boxes, you will equal to and only, and no more and no different than the answers of 369, 369, 369. If we use the first 3 numbers in pi, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1 becomes 3, 4 becomes 3, and 5 becomes 6, it would be 3, 3, and 6. Now if we add this up, 3, 3, and 6, if I remember correctly, is 12 months out of the year, or 336 days, which brings me on to this in the puzzle. Okay, 336 days, The New York Rangers, 7 times 5 times 9, which is the high side in numbers, which only 7 and 9, which is the AC power, which comes out from LA Kings. 1111 equals 121. The 12th letter, the first letter, the 11th letter, 1212. 1212, 144. 7 by 5 is 35, 3.5 grams times 9. 8 by 3.5, everybody knows, is a 3.5. But 9 is 385. 385. Is that not what it is? 35. 9 by 30 is 270. 9 by 5 is 445. I have to calculate this again. 7 times 5 is 35. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 by 7 is 315. 315 says the word ace. 315 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 16. 21 equals to the cube. 21, 336, the 12th moon. The ace of the 12th moon, ace queen, is what they end up with. And who's holding the torch in New York? Is it a dame? D-A-M-Q. D-A-M, because it's a dame. Don't forget, we're talking English and French here. Okay? The hour, or the hormones of the imbalance of time, is up. Okay? This is what we get from New York Rangers. The 14th letter, the 25th letter, and the 18th letter stands for the moon. The queen is on the moon. Time is up. Here comes the ace. Okay, and I'm assuming the ace is first of all, we know the ace holds both sides. It's on the 19-something nickel. It's got a torch in the middle of 5. So who owns 5? Is there really supposed to be an owner to 5? There shouldn't be an owner to 5 because that's where the clock ticks. That's where the hand turns. There can be an owner, but it seems like somebody owners is running our time. What else do I want to say? St. James Place, that is in Monopoly. Juniper, or it means what? Juniper says uni. Ju, which is 1021, which is the AC power. The unification of the hour, of the power, could be per, which could be something to do with hydroelectric. I'm not sure. So we saw what the New York Rangers are. And I've seen more than that in New York, and I've seen more than that in LA. The last thing I want to do, let me go through the last thing. Yes, we did Iran. We did the 3 Little Bears. We did New York. We did the 3 houses. We didn't do Jack and the Beanstalk. I'm not finished with this. If you want to know what this gives, okay, I'll show you. On top, it shows you the first 2 numbers equals to 37. The next 2 numbers equals to 35. The next 2 numbers 56, 41, 18, and they will be specific numbers that do not show up and specific numbers that will show up, completely different from the 2 sides of the board that I hold up together. One is 28, one is 32, one is 915. When we divide the board further down, okay, we divide the board where? One board has an extra 0 in it. Irregardless, Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, trying to keep up to date. Is there anything else? No, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. I had a comment. Somebody told me that the white coats are coming. And I'm trying to think, the white coats, the white coats, the white coats. I says, oh my God, I'm painting. I guess I've been going to be doing painting clothing or something. Thank you for watching this video.